Hello, class. So I just wanted to have a short lecture where I bridge the gap between what we were doing before, where we're drawing these, imaginary cubes in perspective and these imaginary spaces in perspective, and help you to understand how that connects to drawing from observation in perspective. Okay, so just as a quick review, we went over 1 point perspective, and that's where you're looking at the scene head on. Okay, so one side's facing you, as it is in this drawing. Okay, and then all the receding lines go to one vanishing point. Then there's 2 point perspective, and that's where you're looking at the scene from an angle, and no sides are facing you. These are vertical. Okay, these edges are vertical, perfectly vertical, and these receding edges go to two vanishing points, or one of two vanishing points. Okay, and this is what we've been working on. We've been making these, cubes. We're making these imaginary spaces. Okay, this one's done in 1 point perspective. So you see its edges all go to one place. Over here is 1 point perspective, and this is 2 point perspective. Okay, and you remember our process. We established a horizon line, established vanishing points, created this edge right here, and then we brought our converging lines to one of the two vanishing points. You're probably wondering, well, how does our drawing of a cube in 2 point perspective relate to drawing the corner of this room? And just look for a moment. If you look at the back edges of this cube, okay, not the one that's the edge that's close to you, but these back edges, you'll realize it's like a corner of a room. Okay, this is the back edges of a rectilinear form. Okay, if you think about it in a very simple way. Okay, if you took this edge away, this would look like the corner of a room. If we follow these major edges, you will find that they lead to two vanishing points. Okay, in this case, they're off the page, as they often are. And over here. So you pull this edge right here, vanishing point over here, vanishing point over here. All the other edges that recede will also go to one of these two vanishing points. And just to back up for a second, by finding these vanishing points, we're also finding the horizon line. Because we know that the vanishing points will be on the horizon line. So this understanding will be helpful for when we draw from observation, as we'll be applying what we did in the imaginary scenes, where we're drawing cubes, drawing imaginary rooms. We're going to take that framework and we're going to apply it to something that we're seeing directly.